Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coding School. In this channel, we are making educational videos regarding coding concepts with proper example and its explanation. Let's start with the today's video, and if you understand the concept, please give like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can learn different concepts quickly and efficiently. Today we are going to study while loop, in which we will understand what is while loop, syntax of while loop and example of while loop. First, we will pointwise study what is while loop simultaneously with an example so that it will be easy for you to understand the concept properly. A simple while loop is same as other programming languages. We can initialize the variable, check condition and increment or decrement the value. It consists of four parts. First is initialization. It is the initial condition which is executed once when the loop starts. Initialization is a process where we declare data type and give value to that variable. In our example, we initialize the variable as int I equals to 1. Second part is condition. It is the second factor which is executed each time to test the condition of the loop. It continues the execution until the condition is false. It must return boolean value either true or false. We give condition as I is less than equals to 10. So in each iteration, it will check whether the value of I is less than or equal to 10, and it will continue the execution until the value of I becomes greater than 10. Third part is statements. The statements of the loop is executed each time until the second condition becomes false. We give statement as print statement. In this, we print value of I. Fourth part is increment or decrement. So it increments or decrements the variable value. We increment the value of I as I plus plus. Here double plus means after each iteration it increments the value of I by 1. Let's see syntax of while loop. So as we studied earlier, it is made up of four parts, that is initialization, condition, statements to be executed and increment. Now let's solve a little bit complex question, that is write a program to draw the following pattern using while loop. So to draw this pattern we have to use two while loops. Now let's see how to draw this pattern using while loop. As the question is to draw a pattern, there is no need to import scanner class because we are not providing any input value to system. So directly start with the main method. Public static void main string argues. Now declare two variables as int I equals to 1 and j equals to 1 because we are using two while loops to draw a pattern. While I is less than equals to 5 and while j is less than equals to I. So we give first condition as I is less than equal to 5 because there are 5 rows in pattern. So we have to print star only till 5th row, and we give second condition as j is less than equal to I because in pattern number of rows and columns are equal. So in first row there is only one star, in second row there are two stars. This logic applies till 5th row. System dot out dot print asterisk space J++. So here we use print statement to print asterisk on same line. To print asterisk on new line, we have to use println statement. J equals to 1. System.out.println I++. We again declare value of j as 1 because in second loop value of j increases till value of I. So to print respective stars on a single line, after each iteration we have to assign value of j as 1. Now run the program. As you can see, we successfully created pattern of stars using while loop. There are 4 types of loops in Java. Till now we studied only 3 types of loops, that are for loop, for each loop and while loop. One type of loop is still remaining. So we will study do while loop in next video. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.